In 1919, Germany was a nation on its knees. The First World War had ended not with victory, but with humiliation. The Treaty of Versailles stripped Germany of territory, limited its army, blamed it for the war, and demanded crushing reparations. Inflation spiraled out of control. By 1923, Germans were carrying wheelbarrows of cash just to buy bread. Faith in democracy collapsed as fast as the currency. This was the broken world Adolf Hitler stepped into. At first, he was nobody, an angry veteran, homeless, jobless, drifting through Munich. But Hitler understood something many politicians didn't. People don't just want solutions, they want someone to blame. He blamed the Treaty of Versailles. He blamed politicians. He blamed minorities. And millions listened. By the early 1930s, Germany was drowning in the Great Depression. 6 million unemployed, factories silent, families starving. Democracy, to many Germans, felt like failure. In 1933, Hitler was legally appointed chancellor, not through a coup, but through a system that underestimated him. What happened next was not an overnight miracle, but a carefully constructed illusion of recovery. Hitler moved fast, civil liberties were suspended, opposition parties were crushed, trade unions were banned. Germany became a one-party state. Fear replaced debate. Then came the economic transformation. The Nazi government launched massive public works programs. Highways, called the Autobahn, were built across the country. Millions were put to work constructing roads, bridges, and infrastructure. To ordinary Germans, it looked like recovery. Unemployment numbers dropped dramatically, but there was a catch. Much of this growth was fueled by rearmament, which openly violated the Treaty of Versailles. Germany secretly rebuilt its military. Factories shifted to weapons production, and the economy became dependent on preparation for war. Hitler didn't fix Germany's problems, he postponed them with weapons. To control society, the Nazis mastered propaganda. Radios were made cheap so every household could hear Hitler's speeches. Films, posters, and rallies portrayed him as Germany's savior. Children were indoctrinated through the Hitler Youth. Truth became whatever the state repeated loudest. At the same time, Jews, political opponents, disabled people, and minorities were systematically excluded from society. Jewish professionals were fired, businesses were boycotted, laws stripped citizens of rights based on race. Germany looked strong again, but only on the surface. Behind the scenes, the economy was unstable. Germany lacked raw materials and foreign currency. The only long-term plan was expansion. Conquest wasn't an accident of Nazi policy, it was the solution. In 1939, when Germany invaded Poland, many Germans believed they were reclaiming dignity stolen after World War I. What followed instead was the deadliest war in human history. By 1945, Germany lay in ruins once more. Cities were flattened, millions were dead, the economy collapsed completely, and the rebuilder was revealed as a destroyer. Hitler did not rebuild Germany. He militarized it. He silenced it. He weaponized its pain. For Americans, this history carries a warning. Economic desperation, national humiliation, and political polarization can make even democratic societies vulnerable to authoritarian figures who promise simple answers to complex problems. Germany's recovery under Hitler was real, but it was built on fear, lies, and violence. And it cost the world everything.